this is an amazing technology, and you guys and Paul are an important part of this. Is that I feel completely supported here. It's like, my gosh, you got so much management and so much, customer service for us to call and say, this is my problem, this is what I need. And that was my experience in calling both Chris and calling up and saying, Marcia, I need this, or what do we do here? We're completely lost. And they're right there, and they respond, both in email and phone. So it's terrific. Yeah, great support. Is there another one that can compete with this? I doubt it, seriously. Probably just on the accessories. We didn't see anything like it with accessories. I mean, all we saw was loops in the high impulse units. It wasn't anything that had the kind of accessories you guys have.